welcome to the coding channel once again, the decent coder guys. And guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic that how much coding experience basically you need to have before starting your career in the field of cybersecurity, or if you are a fresher or if you have recently started basically in this field, then how much coding you might be knowing beforehand. So considering it as a prerequisite, I would like, as you might have heard from many people, that it does not like requires any sort of prior coding knowledge in this field. But that's not, I would say that it's not totally true basically, because if I like take you at some point, then basically if you will go in the mid era, or like around like if you will work for around 5 to 6 months basically, then you will be going to like feel like, if you do not have any sort of coding experience, then you will like feel like that I'm not in the right field, because the main job of a cybersecurity expert, as I have discussed in my earlier videos also, you might have known that from them, like that for in the cybersecurity basically it needs some sort of analyzing. So if I talk about this coding skill basically in this field, the amount of coding skill is not that much. Like I would say that you might know not need to know any sort of things in depth. You must have, but you must have a bit knowledge about each and every programming language, or most of the programming languages, because you don't know that whatever the web application or any sort of like project coming to, for you in the coming like time, which framework is it built in, or like what technology is it using. So you have to be like comfortable with all the technologies, then only you will be able to like satisfy all of your clients, or you will be able to like do it fully well in this field. Otherwise, if you don't know, if you don't have any sort of coding experience, and you are simply just like doing any sort of bounties, but bounties also require a lot of like practice. And also I know that, yeah, with experience you will get that, but the main thing comes is that you have to like take some sort of experience. At least you can like go on with C#.net, you can go on with like JavaScript, React.js, because nowadays applications prefer these technologies, and you can go on with these. The second thing comes is, where the coding part comes, is when you have certain experience with you, and now you are much more like capable enough to build your own tools. When that stage comes, then the coding basically comes. Like when you start developing your own tools, suppose like the first tool which I made was a simple port scanner in a Python script. That was the basic program every person who steps into cybersecurity tries for. So you can like you can learn Python for that, like the scripting language. And the main book which I would recommend to you is like the BlackHat Python book. That is one of the most precious books, or one of the most interesting books you would be like uh, going through, which consists of a lot of tools, which like make you go through how to build a lot of tools in Python. Like it's available, and earlier it was available in Python 2. I don't know about that Python 3 is available or not. If it would be, I would like provide you with the link in the description box, but you have to basically go with that. So these were the like basically fields in which coding some sort of experience, I think so, a cybersecurity expert must be like have gone through some in some part. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also tell me in the comment section if you what are your queries, and basically what next topic you want the video on. And if you want free certification courses, then also you can check out the channel for free like ethical hacking and coding tutorials as well. So thank you guys, and let me see you in another video.